So what I'd like to do now is talk about some things that are available in Domino to help you secure your environment. As Domino admins, we are all familiar with that panic call from an end user. I have an ECL pop-up. What do I do? And most of the time, admins out there or help desk staff, they tell them, click Start Trusting the Signer. We train the users to click Start Trusting the Signer, so they basically go away. They see that pop-up, they click the button, and they're good. They can now do what they need to do. But unfortunately, what this does in training our users to do this is it opens up the potential of malicious or bad code in some point in the future getting run on that Notes workstation. So a better approach to do is to create an execution control list for your environment. And the way you create an execution control list is you go into your server's address book and you create a security settings document. And then on this security settings document, you go to the execution control list tab and you define the administration ECL for your environment. And of course, now I've got the infamous hourglass where I can tell you half hour ago it popped up no issue. But anyway, so once you have defined your administration ECL, then what you need to do is you need to go ahead and appropriately sign your databases in your environment with the server ID or the Notes IDs that you've defined in the ECL, and then the users will no longer receive those pop-up messages on a periodic basis or a regular basis. So then in the event that a user would get an out-of-the-blue ECL pop-up, there really is a need for concern. And so hopefully they're calling you or your help desk and you're preventing bad code from running on those workstations.